So with text, there's some basic, formatting things that you can do. Some of the more obvious ones is that if you click on a paragraph, you can click right here and align it centered. So now it's completely centered. I don't recommend that for paragraphs. Don't center align paragraphs. Keep it left aligned. And right align is just weird. Okay, for paragraphs. So paragraphs tend to be center left aligned. Now headings like this could be centered because it's a heading. It's short and it's okay centered. And it's even okay to the right, I think. Depends upon your taste. But don't center align paragraphs, okay? Center align only headings and short things. Okay, next you can bold certain things like this drop cap. Maybe you want the drop cap to be bold, right? Or this word to be, these things here to be bold, or maybe you want this to be italicized. So there you go, some centering, left, so alignment, bold, and italicized. Now what about colors? So let's take this heading 2 thing and let's change the color. So let's change the first 2 letters. So select the first 2 letters only. Sometimes it's hard to select, and what I do is I click where I want to go, and then I hold on my shift key and use my arrow keys to go one way to highlight. So that's one way you can easily select things. And then click right here, this little arrow, and choose text color. So then you can choose one of these colors or use a custom color and pick a color within your spectrum down here. I like to use darker colors on a white background because then it stands out, right? So then there you go. Press enter when you're done, and then see there's your color. So I want you to change 2 letters and have at least 4 colors. So find any 2 letters. So once again, I put my cursor where I want it to be, and if I can't click and drag to select, I hold down my shift key and use my arrow keys to go over. Now pick a different color, choose a custom color, anything you want, press return. Do that for 2 more colors, 3 more, another set of two letters, like this. Something like, okay. So that's how you can change colors. So right here, if you want to repeat a particular color, this is the code for that color. It's called hexadecimal code, and we'll talk about what those numbers mean later on. But you can copy it. Say you like that color particularly, you copy it, copy this, press return, and it applies it, right? It applies it to that. But what if you want to change, this text, this bolded text to that same color? So then you click on here, go to text color, custom color, and paste in that same color. And there you go. So now you have that same color. This is the same color as that, I think. Did I get that right? Yeah. Anyway, that's how you change colors. Colors, bold, italic, left, center, and so on. Now, let's say you wanted to switch these paragraphs. What if you wanted to switch paragraphs? So you can see this little arrow here. It goes up, up, and then this paragraph you can go down like that. So now you just switch paragraphs.